Today's adventure, we are heading down the Clinch River for a 6.4-mile paddle where we will encounter little rapids, crystal clear water, lots of laughter, and seeing all different types of wildlife. Oh look, there's bobber pigeon. Let's see, there's bobber pigeon right over there. Do you see him?
No, it's Bob.
Oh, Bob? Because he bobs his head. Oh, he's having a little drink. The water is like crystal clear too. Like it's really clear. I like that, it feels clean. All right, we've got some rapids up ahead. Nothing intense, just like a little low.
Should really set that other one up for underwater.
Today, our put-in spot was the TVA Peach Orchard Ramp. And this is a 6.4-mile trip that takes roughly about 4 hours. And the takeout spot is Highway 61 Bridge Clinch River access. A little right, follow this down. Perfect. So it's like not really rapids, but because it's shallow, you don't want to get stuck on the rocks, right? So there is some technicality. Just don't hit those.
It's class 0.5.
Yeah, but it's more that you don't want to hit the rocks. So there's technicality to get around things, which is good because he and I need to practice our communication when it comes to rapids and stuff. So that was really fun.
Huh?
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
Excited for that.
I think what I'm gonna do since we're flat here is to switch the Crocs into river mode. Guess I can step out.
River mode? Is that with the straps on the back?
That's the strap's called in the back. It's called river mode.
I saw something on the shore though. So I'll be quiet paddling up to it to see. I already like this paddle. I like how quiet and calm and still it is. Oh yeah, I saw a fish. But like carp fish. I'll be honest, we don't have anything for carp here. I really like this river. The water is perfectly clear. You can see down to the bottom. It does have, oh look girls, there's a fish right in the water. Oh, it swam right up to our boat. What? We're seeing a ton of carp swimming upstream. I'm trying to get footage with the camera.
The thing about this paddle compared to all the other ones we've done is instead of looking up and around you, you're looking a lot down because the water is so ridiculously crystal clear. Like you can see everything that's underneath you, the fish, anything, the seaweed.
The seaweed and moss is even really pretty. Sometimes like it comes with like shapes and flows.
Or is it riverweed instead of seaweed?
Riverweed?
Because we're not in the sea.
We're not in the sea. We're not. This is really clear water though. Oh, I see little birdies. Look, there's a tiny little. And it's definitely a current. It doesn't look like there's a current when we were getting in the water. It just looked perfectly calm and still. But as soon as you see like little rapid areas, you can see that there's definitely a current today. So they would consider the water level kind of low right now, right, Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Those are basically all, the dam generators are basically off. They're only pulsing.
We haven't gotten much rain recently, so this is low. A silly drawing of yourself.
He wasn't happy.
Oh my gosh, I didn't get that either.
I did.
That crane was like mad. It was like stuck. This seaweed is like a moss, like a thick, cushy moss. Look at this, girls. Look at this. Elizabeth, look. Do you see how far it goes in? Okay. We have to go right in between the grass and whatever's on the left. We're good. We did it. Oh, no we didn't. Look, there's geese. Look. Do you see it?
Of course.
Oh.
I got it on my camera.
Box on that side, that on that side. We made it straight through. Sorry if that made you nauseous, but that's what you have to go through. It's like rocks to the left, rocks to the right, and you have to go through.
Giant tree in the middle of the river.
Yeah. Food. Abe, I'm gonna start you off with your peas.
Oh, they're still frozen. This is a really good one. Are you sure? This is the one.
Yeah.
I like this.
This is not a good one.
Hey,
I'll eat it.
hold on.
Time it to the left. Yeah, there's a rock right there. Ooh. Oh, God. Okay. Left. Okay. Go to the right. Right here. Right here. Oh, yes. Okay. Rock there. Can we do it? That's the question, people. Perfect. Go to the right. Oh yeah, look at us. Woo! Oh man, there's a ton of rocks up ahead too though. Heading down the Clinch River and we can hear some rapids or something up ahead. So we'll see if we've got to get out of the canoe and start walking or if we can make it through. It's kind of shallow in a lot of these areas. I did pick the best spot, Dad. You're doing good, Daddy. Woohoo! Little rapids. Oh, we missed the rocks. Yay! I don't think it's going to be possible to catch anything because the water is mainly shallow, decently moving, and there's tons of moss to get caught up in. And even if you're trying to be quiet in a canoe, it's a giant canoe. You're making sounds, you can't help it. Just to get a reference, this is how fast we're moving when we're not paddling at all. Sun feels really good.
There's turkeys in that field over there.
This fish. I'm Elizabeth. This is Ava. I'm a
Go to the
fish.
right a little bit.
This is Ava fish. I'm a fish. We keep her because she thinks it's our favorite pet fish. Flop, flop, flop.
And this is that's what we're going for, and that's probably the best. I don't know if we can get her off the... Oh no, rock! Woo, we made it! There's a cow, Daddy. Go get a video of the cow. There's a cow. I'm so excited.
Three. A baby cow.
Oh, there's the cow. That cow's looking at us like, what in the world are you guys doing? We're gonna go say hi to the cows. I know it's not true wildlife, but I'm gonna count it. The goats and now a cow. How cute is that? Hi, cows. Oh, look, they're looking at us. Hi there. Hi there. Oh, look, there's the mama and baby. Look, girls, look at the mama and baby. Pretty yellow flowers along the side of the river. When we get past that rock up there, we're gonna go to the right a little bit, and then you were cut in between those two rocks. Yeah, this way is the best way. We just have to shimmy between two rocks. Well, we're gonna bat them up no matter what. Go this way. Left, left.
I'm not going to peel my apple.
Are you enjoying your apple? Oh, Ava's eating hers. Did you peel Ava's apple?
She doesn't know how to peel. Once she peeled it at home, she peeled it and she got the whole apple into the garbage can.
Ew, and then she ate it.
No.
Just a little. And now go a little to the left. Okay. No, we're going in between these two rocks. There's a rock to the right and a rock to the left, see?
Like, does it feel better?
Nice and cool and refreshing.
Refreshing, huh? Take your feet in the water, Elizabeth.
To the right a little bit. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, now, I think we're gonna bottom out because we should have been over there. I think we'll be good. This is good, just like this. Ah, I got over, but Daddy didn't quite make it. Ew, that's nice. Oh, go. Woo! It's like Olympic riders. Woo-woo! Look at the
He
face.
looks like he wants
Look
to
at
run
Daddy's
race.
face. Ooh. I bet you it's like right, you can't see it because that one tree right there. Oh, I can hear more rapids. There's another set of rapids up ahead. Because there's a lot of rocks there. Paddle, paddle. Now turn to the right. Oh, did you see that scale? Towards the end, we're hitting some moss. But we discussed it's like getting a good scrub for the bottom of your canoe. It's not too hard when it's the moss that you get stuck on, because you kind of like press into it and you can move it forward. There we go. There's a little takeout spot. Some over here.
If you liked our video, be sure to check out more of Legs Outdoors, where we have a ton of unique travel and wild adventures just like this. With a passion to explore, we find fun family excursions from traveling through Alaska to paddling down a river. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.